this Casa Linda villa that's currently for sale. It is an enlarged Villa Capri model. You can already tell the spaciousness in the kitchen with an island instead of a U-shaped counter. This one also has a much larger ensuite bedroom or master bedroom. Very, very spacious. Lots of nice big windows, nice and bright. Pool looks very inviting right now. Also cabinetry in this master as well. Go into the master ensuite. Again, the wood is absolutely stunning here. You actually have double sinks, which is a larger bathroom than your standard Capri. Bench in the shower, enclosure for your bath products, and some bling tile on the wall to provide a bit of an accent. It's really, really spacious. It's very, very bright. It's very, very airy. Good sized living room. The blue and the white accent it nicely. Large TV. Hallway leads to bedroom number 2. Again, stunning woodwork. An outdoor area, which we'll see in a minute. And bathroom number 2. It's the bathroom for bedroom number 2 at the evening, and also for your guests during the day. Go outside now too, and you can take another peek of the pool deck, where you have lounge chairs either side of the pool. You actually have pool stools here. Pool for swimming, stairs that go down, more lounge chairs. The door to the left would be half bath, and there is a pool technical room here as well. You have your outdoor bar, outdoor dining, and seating area. If you have any additional questions about this villa, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Can you imagine yourself here?